Guys, let's give Cece a bath. The right way. Come! Here they come. But you have a splinter. Wow!
Welcome to Mixed Up in Trailer on Disney Channel. The big sound, beep beep. Okay, everyone. Guess I tell us. Have a little pizza? No, what is that? It's a balloon, Rubber West. And he's flying together. Mr. Rainbow King, I don't know when it even get ready from these. Unfortunately, whenever I don't know what the meaning of the balloon Rubber West. Watch this. Maybe unfortunately outside. Hello everybody. Help! Joel, are you okay? What? No. You see, today I'm in a fancy restaurant in a baking fancy supermarket. It's still my groceries foods. Mr. Golden Sun. Mr. Golden Sun. Don't worry, we're on a job. I'm just pulling a deflated cord and send a course to the land of dreams. Just like the great for a supermarket catcher, a safari, and then a superhero all days. Elephant. And send the course to the land of dreams. Now let us. I'm on the job. Supermarket. A lot of things will work. How did this door move for a day? Give a shopping cart. Let's get to supermarket. All these bananas. Check. Pizza. Check. Sandwich. Check. Thursday. Doritos. Check. Green and red apple. Check. Check. Bakery. Cake. Check. Uh-oh, that's too much. Cookies. Check. Candy. Check. Tomatoes. Tomato. I'm going back to supermarket. No, we're looking at this door and close the windows. And let's lock the door. And time to go to the dream. Let's take it. Superhero. Look! A supermarket delivery! No! Hello, Blux. What are you doing upset? Come here. Come on, that roommate. Hi, friend. Come on, let's stay in. Doing your chores? Yes. Oh, goody. I'm proud. Come on and join us. Join the jamboree. It's time to do your work. What do you say? It's cleaning time. Hang around. What was? Help! Help! Get it down quickly! Oh no! She is in big trouble. I better call for the star. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. One balloon Rubber West. Hot dog. Come on, my dear friend. Right now, my dear friends, your cats. There we go. Gotcha, little dummy. Together, get to Mr. Golden Sun. Yes. Tell Mom and Dad I'm Donald Duck and these. You know what it has anyone to do. I don't know. See, Eddie. We're floating in space.